Xin chào, Ni Hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. It's Halloween time, so I watched a couple video. They do the mummy hot dog, so I think that this is really easy and look really cool. And my son want to try, so I think I can make the video to do with you guys. So we just need one bag of hot dog. If your kid cannot eat spicy, no spicy in there. You will need some eyeball candy, and you will need one Reese's. So Reese's. Okay, let me see how many we can make. Already open. So we take it out. Turn on the oven, 350. Where you put this one out here. So this is really quick, easy, and yummy. The kids will love it. And look fun for Halloween day. So now you just need to cut. Cut the strip like this. Let's see how many hot dogs we have to make. If you have a lot of fans, a lot of member, family coming, maybe have to make a couple bags. My oven already done. So you just wrap it, look like this, and you just go like, you wrap it up. Wrap it up. And right here, you go up a little bit, because this one for the face, so you can make the eyeball. So, like this. First one, put on the tray. Second one, you do like this. You just wrap it up. Wrap it up. Another one. Say the face. Say the face. And then you just continue to do that. So then wrap one more, and then you should put in the oven. Let me see. So here they tell you for 10 or 30 minutes. So we come back. You just continue wrap on of this. And then see you a little bit. Look, after 15 minutes, my mommy hot dog done. Now we put some eyeball on top of it. I think your kids, your friend will love it. I think this is a really fun thing to do for Halloween. So let me make the first one so you see. My eyeball a little bit. I think this is really cool to make it for Halloween day. You just use some ketchup or whatever the sauce you want. Just load it up. So you can do this. This is easy and really fun for Halloween. You can make with your kid too. The kid will happy to see it. Yeah. My kid already asked me, Mommy, when you make Mommy hot dog, Mommy. I make it. He's not home yet. But I have to hurry up because he go to the store. Cut right with that ease. And we're happy. That looks so cool. Your kid will love it. So here my mommy. Oh, where's my glove? Oh, actually this one heavy, so I will ring you later. See what I just used. Look. Awesome. This is fun for Halloween day. So extra more fun. You know what? I will ring hot dog on the plate and extra more ketchup, so the kid think of blood. Okay, let's see. Awesome. He get hurt. Ah. Okay. Here you go. Hopefully you have a great Halloween time with your friend, your family. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.